Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports here in upstate New York on this, well, no snow winter day. What a better time to show you a very nice 18-inch 40cc Craftsman chainsaw. This is a fully functional running chainsaw with no cracks, damage or repairs, bars in good shape. What do you say we light this thing off? A really nice pre-owned Craftsman 18-inch 40cc chainsaw at a very affordable price. And folks, be sure to check out our feedback on eBay, 100% positive. Click on like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more really awesome vintage chainsaws, motorcycles, and all sorts of accessories. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matters most.